Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are going on to issue 51, and we are kicking off this second half in style. All the drama I had hoped for in the last issue, I think we're going to get this time because we have the dome! We have the dome! I can't wait to get this thing out. So let's open her up and see what we got. All right, look at this dome. That is looking incredible. Man, this thing takes fingerprints like there's no tomorrow though, doesn't it? I'll have to polish that up. But this is looking awesome. This just looks incredible. It does look a little bit of an elliptical shape instead of round. So I may have to squeeze it and bend it, I'm not sure. Though fitting it around the frame, I'm sure will push it into place. For this issue, we're also going to need the double-sided tape and the dome plate from the previous issue. Now, what we're going to be doing is temporarily fitting this thing. We're not actually going to be permanently fitting it until we really assemble the whole bit. But if you take a look, only one hole has a little rectangle hole above it. If you go directly to the right of that, that's the hole that this piece is going to go into. So you can actually kind of test fit it without the tape, and you can see how well it looks. Okay, in this case, incredible. Now, when you're doing this, when you're doing the test fit, take a look on the back side of this. You'll see some writing. That writing is going to be facing towards the top of the dome. For the temporary fixture, what you're going to want to do is take the double-sided tape. You've got brown paper on one side and you've got white on the other. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take the white off. And then we're going to apply the tape, one strip to the top and one strip to the bottom of the hole. All right, and as you can see, I now have the tape applied as best I can. And it's important to note, if you look on this side, you don't see the tape coming through at all. Once you're at this stage, you'll want to take the brown backing off, but just the brown backing. You want to leave the tape in there. It's hard to see, but it can be done. All right, now that we've got the backing off and you can see the tape is still in there, we will want to refit this carefully so that it is exactly where we want it, and press it into that tape so that it sticks. And there you go. One panel on the dome completed. And that finishes stage 51. Okay, well, that is looking incredible. I'm very happy we finally got the dome. I can't wait to actually fit it onto the full dome frame that we've got so far. Be careful when handling this. I'm not sure how strong that double-sided tape is. And you don't want this piece just flopping about and falling out. But we are definitely kicking off the second half of this build in style and starting with something I have been waiting for since the beginning. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.